Hello mga ka-Jess! Welcome back to another episode of the one and only Jess, where ideas sparkle, opinions collide, and chika always has flavor. Ako po ang inyong super extra, super kulit, super reliable na host. I am your host, Shana, and today, ay nako, maghahalo tayo ng kaalaman, katotohanan, at kaunting kaartihan kasi why not, diba? And today's topic is something na hindi lang pang class requirements, kundi pang buhay, pang future, pang career. Ito ang podcasting. Yes, business, the world of microphones, storytelling, and pwede voice effects. At syempre, hindi ako nag-isa dahil kasama ko ang dalawang mababait, matatalino, at minsan, sobrang maarteng co-host. Let's welcome Ella and Juna.
Hello beautiful people! Ako si Ella, ang inyong calm pero deadly observer. Ako yung tipo ng tao na tahimik lang sa umpisa. Pero pag nagsalita ako, ay nako, may wisdom, may impact, minsan may katotohanan na masakit pero need mo marinig. I love podcast kasi nakakakalma siya. Pero today, ako ang manggugulo at magdadagdag ng logic dito. So kung gusto niyo malaman ang pros and cons ng podcasting from a very chill pero accurate perspective, I got you.
Wow, I love it.
Hello! I am Juna, your human sound effect, walking meme at accidental comedian. Ako yung friend na tatawa pa lang, episode na agad. And for me, podcasting is like life. Minsan smooth, minsan sabog, pero always entertaining. At dahil dyan, I am here to give the funny, the real, at minsan yung hindi ko rin alam pero sige try natin na input. So expect chaos, expect laughter, expect Juna, because today, I am ready to serve.
I love it! Ladies and gentlemen, iyon po ang dahilan kung bakit hindi boring ang Jess. Now that the queens have spoken, let's dive into today's topic, the advantages and disadvantages of podcasting. Alright, ladies, para sa unang tanong, ano ba ang advantages ng podcasting? Like, bakit siya suddenly big deal, di ba?
Para sa akin, ang one major advantage is connection. Podcasting let people share stories in a deeper, more intimate way kasi voice ang gamit mo. Naririnig nila yung emotions mo, sincerity mo, and even your personality. And honestly, podcasting is for everyone. Kahit shy ka, kahit hindi ka nga marunong mag-edit kasi wala kang super fancy equipment, pwede ka pa rin mag-start. It's a platform that gives voice to the voiceless, diba? Plus learning. May podcast about science, about love, about money, and about healing. Parang may free educations pero masaya.
Tama yan, Ella. At dagdag ko pa, podcasting is convenient. Like, you can listen habang naglalaba, nagko-commute, or nagpapanggap na nag-aaral. Creators can upload anytime. Listeners can tune in anytime. Flexible and super accessible pa. At isa pa, low cost. Hindi mo kailangan ng buong production team. With one phone and one idea, boom! Podcast host ka na. And to add up, biggest advantage rin is yung opportunities. Podcasting can open doors to collaborations, sponsorships, and building your personal brand. Kaya kung maganda yung storytelling mo, people remember your voice. Kapag consistent ka, you build a community. And that community can eventually support your projects, advocacy, or your career. And let's be real, ang sarap sa feeling na may nakikinig sa'yo.
Ayan na ang gaganda ng advantages, di ba? Pero syempre, dahil we're fair and balanced, sa mga disadvantages naman tayo mga ka-Jesk. How about you, Ella? Anong masasabi mo sa mga disadvantages of podcasting?
Alam mo, para sa akin, ang pinakamalaking struggle is consistency. Akala kasi ng iba, madali yung podcasting. try kaya nila mag-post every week na may clear audio, clear topic, and engaging content. Napakahirap kaya.
Yeah.
Editing, oh my gosh, may times nga pa ulit-ulit mong marinig yung boses mo for hours. Tapos may background noise na tiktilak ng manok at talyer ng kapitbahay. And just not everyone will listen, lalo na sa mga beginners. So dapat kung nag-uumpisa ka pa lang sa podcasting, dapat patient ka.
Yeah.
Alam mo, totoo yan, Ella. And for me, yung emotional pressure din. Minsan you feel like, is anyone even listening? Worth it ba to? Podcasters also deal with hate, criticism, or feeling burned out. It's a lot, pero we keep going kasi passion di ba?
In addition to that, Jonah, isa rin yung competition. Alam mo kung bakit? Ang daming podcast ngayon, as in sobra. So if you want to stand out, kailangan may identity ka, kailangan may signature vibe ka. Kung wala kang direction, walang mag-grow.
Wow! Ang lalalim ng mga insights nyo, mga ka-Jess, ha? So now, para sa inyo, how do you personally think podcasting affects society?
Para sa akin, ang podcasting, it gives comfort. Like may podcast about heartbreak, and boom, iyak ka na sa jeep. Pero syempre, educational din. Pero parang school, pero parang walang quizzes. Mas gusto ko to.
At syempre, it builds community. May listeners kang hindi mo kalala pero invested sila sa buhay mo. Parang mini fan club.
Alright, game time naman tayo, mga ka-Jess. I'll say a situation. Sabihin nyo kung advantage or disadvantage. But instead of saying advantage or disadvantage, you will say real or chismis. Are you ready, mga ka-Jess?
Yes!
So now, let's go! Alright! Para sa unang katanungan, pwede mag-podcast kahit hindi ka photogenic.
Siyempre naman, super real.
True, super real. Boses lang ang laban.
Wow! Para sa pangalawang katanungan, puyat din sa editing.
Chismis with dark circles.
True, chismis, pero minsan worth it.
Wow! Sunod, pwede mong balik-balikan anytime and anywhere.
Real pa sa real.
Wow!
True, real kasi syempre, pwede mong i-download tapos balikan mo na lang kahit kailan mo gusto.
Yeah! Walang internet.
Siyempre, chismis kasi, siyempre, paano ka makikinig kung wala kang internet, di ba?
True, chismis yan. Kasi, like, paano ka rin kakagawa ng podcast kung wala kang internet?
Yeah. Alright. Before we end our segment, Ella and Juna, ano yung pwede niyong maipayo sa mga gustong mag-start ng podcasting?
Alam nyo ba na ang podcasting is storytelling? Kung may kwento ka, i-share mo yan.
Podcasting is fun, challenging, pero rewarding. Start kahit sabaw ka. And remember, you don't need to be perfect. Just be real.
Alright, mga ka-Jess. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Sana today's episode help you see the beauty and the struggles of podcasting. Remember, in a world full of noise, make your voice matter. This is your host, Shana, together with Ella and Juna. And this is Jess Podcast. See you the next time. Bye!